Hey everyone, thanks for checking into Stock Investing and Trading 101. Today we're going to be discussing Robinhood Gold. What this is a feature that allows you to choose if you want to take on margin, which is essentially a loan that you pay interest on. It's completely a choice if you want to sign up or not, but if you do want to sign up, you have to have a minimum of $2,000 in your Robinhood account. What Robinhood Gold costs is $5 a month, and the first $1,000 of margin is included in that $5 monthly fee. You're also allowed to borrow more than $1,000 of margin, but you'll have to pay an additional 5% yearly interest on the amount you use above $1,000. So anything you get on margin above $1,000, you'll be paying a 5% yearly interest rate on. Also, the first month is free, so you won't be paying $5 for your first month, and you also do get access to some other features such as bigger instant deposits, professional research from Morningstar, level 2 market data from the NASDAQ, and also the margin, of course. And one of the cool features that I will show is you will get the professional research. So pretty much essentially you're just going to be able to access and read articles and reports from the Morningstar. They're a pretty popular news and article site, and I believe they typically have a monthly cost, so that'll be included with the Robinhood Gold. Also level 2 market data, so essentially during trading times you can see the bid and the ask price of the exact stock you're looking at, and you get bigger instant deposits, so you won't have to wait for something to clear from your bank in order to use it as buying power. You'll get instant deposits. I was always opposed to using leverage and taking on that kind of risk, but I saw this and I figured the first month is free. You can cancel at any time pretty easily. You don't have to sign up for like a 1 year or anything like that. You can cancel at any point, and the first month's free, so I figured I would give it a try. What I did was I took it and I invested most of it actually into Ford. They had a bad earnings report and the price tanked down to, I got 100 shares for $959. And what I figured was Ford pays a dividend of 15 cents per quarter. So at 100 shares, I'll be getting $15 per quarter, which essentially exactly covers the Robinhood Gold $5 monthly fee. So 3 months is $15 and the dividend is $15. And I'm also going to be selling covered calls on that. So anything that I sell in covered calls every week is all gravy, and that's pretty much all there is to it. I also was able to invest about $40 more into other dividend paying stocks, so there'll also be a little bit more income from this rolling in. It does take on a significant risk to take margin and then put it all into one stock, but I'm pretty comfortable with the price that I was able to buy at. It did take a nice spike down from the $10 range all the way to the $9.50 range, and as long as the dividend doesn't get cut, that would be my biggest risk, for the dividend to get cut, because it wouldn't cover my gold expense and the stock price would probably crash quite a bit. At that point, I would probably just give up with the margin, but I think I have much more upside potential than I do downside risk at this $9.50 price point. I don't think it's going to go down too much further, and if it does, I don't think it'll go much below maybe $8.50 or $8 at the lowest, and I think this price could go above at least $10, $11. So I'm pretty comfortable with my entry point, and I know it'll at least cover my Robinhood Gold cost for now. Plus, the first month is free, so there's another uh, pretty much $5 profit. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It's just essentially a margin that you'll pay interest on, and you're hoping to make money off of this whole transaction by making more money than you're paying in costs. And I'm gonna see how this does. I'm closely monitoring it. I have a spreadsheet of exactly all my costs and then all my incomes, and just to make sure I'm making money, of course. But as of now, it seems to be working fine for me, and I will keep you guys updated. Thanks for checking in. Please subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and stay tuned for more.